Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this delicious peppered fish. This is a really good side dish which can be served with a lot of stuff like jollof rice, fried rice, coconut rice, whatever you fancy really. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
You asked the question and I ain't gonna lie, but I wasn't ready, still you took me by surprise.
So starting off, this was the fish I used. You can use any type of fish you like. It would still come out as great and delicious. So I cut the fish into different sections and I made sure to remove all the gills and the fins and the guts. Then I washed it properly about 2 to 3 times. After that, I've seasoned the fish with pepper, salt, Maggi seasoning cube, mixed herbs, and some all-purpose seasoning. So guys, I normally eyeball all the ingredients. I know it's not right, but that's just how I do it, and it always comes out right. So I'm sorry if I don't have the actual measurements to give because I don't use them. So yeah, just thought to say that. So here I'm putting all the spices in the fish, mixing it thoroughly to make sure everything just goes inside the fish so that it just becomes so delicious, filled with flavor. After that, I'm going to marinate for at least 1 hour. I normally do this overnight, but for this video I did it for an hour. So while that is marinating, I'm going to prepare the peppered sauce. All I used was onions, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, and some garlic. And I'm going to put that in the blender and blend. But guys, I'm not going to blend it till smooth. I'm going to blend it so that it has a texture to it. Yes, make sure it has a texture. Then I'm going to put that in a pot and allow it to cook until at least 80% of the water has dried up. And while that is cooking, obviously I am going to fry my fish. So my fish has finished marinating for at least an hour. Now I'm going to be frying my fish in a really hot oil. So guys, be careful. It's not really too hot that it can burn, but it's hot enough to cook it. So your burner should be put on medium high heat. So I'm just going to fry it for maybe like 5 minutes on each side. And yeah, after frying, I am just going to allow it to cool down a bit and check my other sauce to make sure it's cooking. Well, my sauce is cooking, but as you can see, there's still some water left in there. So I'm going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. But before then, I'm going to season the sauce with what I used for the fish. So some Maggi seasoning cube, all-purpose seasoning, salt, and some mixed herbs. So this is the final part, that is to combine everything together. So using the frying pan I used to fry the fish, I'm going to add in some onions and I'm going to add in my blended pepper sauce into the frying pan, and I'm going to stir and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to add in the fish, yes, the fried fish, and I'm going to stir and combine. I'm allowing this to cook for 7 to 10 minutes because I really want all those pepper sauce juices to go into the fish. And after that, I am going to top it all off by adding some green bell pepper. I know you think this green bell is to decorate or make it beautiful, but no, it actually adds some flavor in there. So I love green bell peppers and I use it on anything I cook, really, mostly, but I love it. So I'm adding in some green bell pepper, and yes, that's it guys. It's so delicious, and you can use this fish sauce to eat whatever, basically, like any type of rice dish, any type of anything really. Like you can use it to have pasta, you can use it for yam, you can use it for, I don't know, it's endless really. Anything you want, you can use this fish to do. So thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, share it so that someone else might see it and like it as well. And please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me if you've had this fish before, or if you've not, tell me if you're going to make this for your family. So guys, until next time, bye bye.